I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to your YouTube channel. Here we are going to learn how do we draw a model from the given statement. In this case, we have multiplication. So the question here is draw a model for following multiplication statements. Now, while drawing a model, key is given to us as red circle is positive integer and blue circle is negative integer. So you need to use these circles. We also refer to them as counters. So while I'm writing, I will actually make counter plus and counter minus for plus and minus integers. So instead of coloring it red and blue, I'll just write plus or minus in between. So let's go through these two questions. 1 times 3. In a multiplication statement, when I say 1 times 3, that means I have one group of 3. Now, since 3 does not have a sign, we'll assume that to be positive. It has to be positive. So it really means one group of positive 3 counters, right? So that is what it is. So in that case, we have that as 1, 2, and 3. So this is just one group and all are positive. Makes sense? So that becomes the model for the given statement. The next one is minus 3 times minus 2. Now this is kind of tricky. To get to this, first we have to address what is this minus and how do we interpret it. We are going to use zero principle here. Taking anything or adding 0 or subtracting 0 does not really change. And therefore, what we are going to do is add a positive and a negative integer together. As you can see that the combination of this positive and negative is basically 0, right? So from the 0, we can subtract something, correct? So basically from 0 we are subtracting something. So that gives us the meaning for minus. And 3 times minus 2 means there are 3 groups, right? So we are now looking for, let me write down here, 3 groups of negative 2, right? So 3 groups of negative 2 means each has got 3 groups of 2 each and both are negative 2, right? So we have these one group, second group, and third group. So these are 3 groups of negative 2. You get the whole idea. So that is how we are going to represent the given expression. We are calling this now expression since it does not have the equal to sign, correct? So I hope it makes sense. So that is minus. And then 3 times minus 2 means 3 groups of negative 2 integers. And that becomes the solution. I hope this is absolutely clear. It's a test question, a very important test question for you. Feel free to write your comment, share your views. If you like and subscribe to my videos, that'd be great. Thanks for your valuable time and all the best.